Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful Hello Kitty mermaid. Let's start. First I am drawing her bow. Now I am drawing her face. Her beautiful eyes and nose. I am drawing her mustaches. Let's draw her beautiful dress. I am drawing her hands. Now I am drawing her tail. I am drawing scales on her tail. Let's make it colorful. I am coloring red color in her dress. Orange color. I am coloring yellow color in her nose and her scale. Now I am coloring green color in her second scale. I am coloring blue color. I am coloring purple color. I am coloring pink color. Let's color rainbow in her bow and her tail. Hello Kitty is looking so beautiful. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.